Humans have always had a fundamental need to explore new horizons, to discover new things, to realize their full potential. Whether it's small ideas or major projects, we need the right tools to help us shape our world. For big visions, we use big machines. But what guarantees the stability of a surface when we need to build on it? How many tons can the ground carry? In 1860, we had a bold idea, and today we say 100 tons compressed onto a single square meter. We are KGS, and this is our mission. Driven by up to 260 kilowatts, our vibrocats work up to a depth of 23 meters in the soil. This helps compact the sand and stone tightly. The void created is simultaneously refilled with stones, then subjected to more pressure for optimum density. Vibrate, fill and compact until the ground does not yield any more. Column by column, ton by ton. When our machines compress the soil, metal creates enormous friction through contact with the ground, generating a force that causes wear and tear to many components. We are KGS, and we know spare parts availability is essential to the uptime of the equipment. Our machine shop says, we plan for wear. Our warehouse team says, your spare parts are available. And our logistic team says, tons of new supplies can be dispatched, components as well as new machines. Next door, our service team is coordinating these processes and is always available to answer any questions. This includes unforeseeable problems, because when construction stops, one thing counts above all else. Things need to move quickly. That's why we're always there for you, even at the other end of the world. We are virtually on site with you because all our machines use multiple sensors to constantly transmit work data to our cloud. We use remote diagnostics to target and identify defective components. Because our corporate structure was created to support machine availability, each component we use can be delivered immediately, from a gigantic 30-meter mast to a minuscule metal part. That means our on-site service has all the information and components they need quickly. We rectify errors to ensure that your deadlines can be met. It is this view of the essentials that continues to drive us. Meticulous quality control down to the smallest detail. Everything is carefully checked and documented, no matter whether it's 1/100 of a millimeter or many kilowatts of power. This is how we create reliable quality. Engineering skills made in Germany. These are the resources we use to plan each individual new challenge. This is how we turn a digital vision into a solid, heavy machine. Our 40-person new equipment team makes it possible, whether with mechanics, hydraulics, electronics, or IT equipment technology. Whether it's maintenance on a long-lasting vibrocats or evolving our drilling rigs. Whether at the highest temperatures or in confined spaces. No matter whether on land or on water. We help you create a solid foundation. We are KGS, and this is where we live our passion.